Prepare to take your Hamster Kombat experience to the next level. The clock is ticking down to the highly anticipated date of September 26th, and if you thought the excitement couldn't get any higher, think again. Hamster Kombat has just unveiled some thrilling new updates that could be the game changer you've been waiting for. As the token generation event, TGE, and Airdrop draw closer, every move you make in the game becomes more critical. This is the moment where strategy meets opportunity, and being prepared could be the difference between just playing the game and truly winning big. Whether you're a veteran of the Hamster Kombat battlefield or a newcomer eager to climb the ranks, these updates offer you the chance to maximize your rewards and secure your place at the top. With these new features, the stakes have never been higher, and the potential rewards are more substantial than ever. So, if you've been waiting for the perfect moment to double down on your efforts, this is it. The actions you take over the next few weeks will set the stage for your success when the big day arrives. Stay tuned, stay sharp, and get ready to dominate in Hamster Kombat like never before. The countdown is on, and the path to victory is clearer than ever. Will you seize this opportunity and rise to the challenge? The choice is yours, and the rewards are waiting. Hamster Kombat has just unveiled a crucial new update in the Airdrop section, and it's set to revolutionize how players prepare for the upcoming event. Players now have the option to link their OKX exchange account directly within the game, a feature that is nothing short of a game changer for those aiming to capitalize on the September airdrop. This seamless integration ensures that you're fully equipped and ready when the airdrop goes live, streamlining the process and giving you an edge over the competition. But what if you don't have an OKX account yet? No worries. Hamster Kombat has made it incredibly easy to sign up directly from within the game. This integration suggests a strategic partnership between Hamster Kombat and OKX, positioning OKX as a preferred exchange for players. The presence of an affiliate code within the game further indicates this partnership, making referrals more important than ever. By sharing your referral code, not only are you bringing more players into the community, but you're also earning valuable points that can significantly boost your chances of scoring big in the airdrop. To help players navigate these new updates, Hamster Kombat has outlined a clear set of steps. September TBA off-chain deposit begins. This marks the start of your journey towards securing your tokens. Be sure to act quickly once this phase opens, as it's the first critical step in the process. September TBA off-chain deposit ends. This is the deadline to complete your off-chain deposits, ensuring that all your tokens are properly allocated in preparation for the next phase. September TBA OKX confirmation, decline. At this stage, OKX will confirm or decline your deposits, marking the final step in securing your participation in the airdrop. These steps are crucial for anyone serious about maximizing their rewards in Hamster Kombat. Off-chain deposits will be enabled soon, but there's an important prerequisite: completing your KYC, Know Your Customer, verification. This process involves providing your address and memo to ensure that your off-chain deposit goes through without a hitch. It's a vital step to ensure that you're fully compliant and ready to participate in the upcoming events. With these updates, Hamster Kombat is making it easier than ever for players to prepare and optimize their strategy for the September airdrop. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Link your OKX account, complete your KYC, and start gathering those referrals. Every action you take now will set you up for success when the big day arrives. In addition to these exciting updates, Hamster Kombat has announced that off-chain deposits will be enabled soon, a feature that's crucial for players looking to secure their tokens in the upcoming airdrop. This new capability allows you to deposit tokens from an external source directly into the game's ecosystem, providing more flexibility and control over your assets as the September events approach. However, there's an essential step that you must take before you can take advantage of this feature: completing your KYC, Know Your Customer, verification. This process is more than just a formality. It's a key requirement that ensures the security and legitimacy of your transactions. KYC verification typically involves verifying your identity through official documents, and in this case, you'll also need to provide your address and memo for the off-chain deposit to be processed smoothly. Why is KYC so important? For one, it's a measure designed to protect both the players and the game's ecosystem from fraudulent activities. By verifying your identity, Hamster Kombat ensures that only legitimate players are able to participate in these critical transactions. This not only helps maintain the integrity of the game but also safeguards your assets, making sure that your tokens are secure. Once your KYC verification is complete, you'll be ready to take full advantage of the off-chain deposit feature. This step is vital because it connects your in-game activities with your broader cryptocurrency holdings, allowing you to move assets in and out of the game with ease. For players looking to maximize their earnings in Hamster Kombat, having this capability is essential. So, if you haven't completed your KYC verification yet, now is the time to do it. Don't wait until the last minute. Ensure that your account is fully verified and that all necessary information is provided. This will allow you to smoothly execute off-chain deposits and be fully prepared for the airdrop and other upcoming events in September. By taking these steps, you're positioning yourself to make the most out of what Hamster Kombat has to offer, ensuring that your journey through the game is both rewarding and secure. So, what does this all mean for Hamster Kombat players? Simply put, this is your chance to maximize your rewards and get ahead of the game. By linking your OKX account and completing the necessary steps, you're setting yourself up for a more significant share of the airdrop. Plus, with the referral system, you can amplify your gains by bringing more players into the fold. To sum it up, get back in the app, link your OKX account, complete your KYC, and start grinding those referrals. The next 27 days are crucial, and the moves you make now could have a big payoff. Your virtual hamsters might just fund your next adventure, or at least a super fancy hamster wheel. Before I go, I want to give a massive shout out to all of my incredible channel members who continue to support this channel. Your contributions keep this community thriving, and I'm beyond grateful. Stay tuned, keep mining, and I'll catch you on the flip side with any breaking news. As always, may your hamsters be mighty and your tokens plentiful.